Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play School of Dragons on Android. This exciting game lets you train dragons and explore a vast world. To begin your adventure, you will first need to ensure your Android device is ready. We will cover everything from finding the game to optimizing your experience, making sure you are prepared for hours of fun. The first step is to get the game onto your device. Simply open the Google Play Store, which is usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Use the search bar at the top to find School of Dragons. Once you locate it, tap the Install button. The initial download is relatively small, about 100 megabytes, but expect more content to download once you launch the game. After the game is installed, launch it from your app drawer. You will then be prompted to create a new account or log in if you already have one. This is where you personalize your Viking character and select your very first dragon companion. The game features an excellent tutorial that guides you through the basic controls and initial quests, helping you quickly get accustomed to the world of Berk. To ensure the best possible experience, consider a few tips. Always play on a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid interruptions. Closing other apps running in the background can free up valuable device memory, leading to smoother gameplay. If you experience lag, try adjusting the graphics settings within the game. Remember to participate in daily quests and events to earn fantastic in-game rewards and progress faster.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.